Some gadgets look completely ordinary at first glance, but once you see them in action, you realize they do things you wouldn't expect. Today, you'll discover devices that look illegal, but are actually legal and available on Amazon. Discreet, clever, and surprisingly powerful, these tools feel like they belong in a spy movie. Some are made to protect your privacy, others help keep your family safe, and a few are designed for unexpected emergencies. And the craziest part? Many are pocket-sized, easy to carry, and blend in so well you'd never guess what they can do. Stay until the end, because the last one honestly feels like it should be banned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. At first glance, it looks like a regular black nightstand. Then you walk near it and the light turns on by itself, like it was waiting for you. Your phone charges right on top, so there is no crawling behind the bed or fighting with cables at night. But the part that makes people pause is the hidden lockable space inside, made for private items you do not want sitting out in the open at home. It also has 2 large drawers, an open shelf for everyday things, and a clean, modern look that fits a bedroom, office, or gaming corner without screaming for attention. It feels like one of those pieces you order for storage and then realize it does way more than expected. It looks almost too secretive to be on Amazon, but you can grab it right now for $131.88. Imagine a camera small enough to fit in your hand, yet able to watch an entire room without being noticed. It records in 4K with enhanced night vision, and the 140-degree lens captures every detail, even in total darkness. Motion triggers instant alerts sent straight to your phone so you always know what's happening. Long-lasting battery supports days of continuous recording, and footage can be stored securely in the cloud or on a TF card. Compact, portable, and easy to set up, it looks harmless but provides professional-level home security, all for $26.99. A tiny green dot does not sound impressive until this laser throws out a beam bright enough to grab attention instantly. It is not just for presentations, it also works for hiking, camping, or pointing something out from far away without walking across the room. The fun part is the adjustable head, because one twist changes it from a sharp focused beam to a wider light. It charges through USB, has a metal body, a firm grip, and a wrist strap so it does not slip out of your hand. It feels like one of those gadgets that makes you ask how it is casually listed online, but it is on Amazon for $9.99. These night vision goggles make darkness feel like someone quietly turned the world back on. You can record in 4K, capture sharp photos, and even save synchronized audio, so it is not just watching, it is documenting what happens when everyone else sees nothing. The large screen shows everything in real time, while the included memory card gives you space for long recordings without constantly deleting clips. The battery lasts through serious outdoor use. The backlit buttons help when there is no light, and the zoom pulls distant movement closer than your eyes could ever catch. They look like gear from a secret mission, but somehow they are sitting on Amazon for $99.99. These glasses look ordinary until you press a button and start recording everything around you in full HD. Ideal for hiking, car rides, or sports events, they capture every detail of the scenery without drawing attention. The built-in 32GB memory stores your videos in 10-minute segments, ready to view on your computer. 90 minutes of continuous recording, lightweight comfort, and sleek design make you almost forget you are wearing them. They are discreet, modern, and let you document experiences from your own perspective, like having extra eyes on your adventures, available on Amazon for $39.99. A key that looks simple but can unlock standard handcuffs in an instant. The 4-inch round design clips easily to belts, pockets, or keychains without falling off. Made from durable polymer and tested thousands of times, it balances lightness with strength, offering a secure grip even under tense conditions. Its universal fit allows unlocking double-locked cuffs in seconds, useful for police, firefighters, or tactical gear enthusiasts. Compact, discreet, and surprisingly powerful, it feels almost illegal but is completely legal. Available on Amazon for $8.99. A hotel room can look perfectly normal and safe until this tiny pocket detector starts checking what your eyes would never catch. It scans for suspicious signals, hidden camera lenses, magnetic trackers, and listening devices using different detection modes, so you are not just guessing around the room. The adjustable sensitivity helps you narrow down the exact spot, while sound or vibration alerts guide you without making it feel complicated. It charges by Type-C, runs for long hours, and works with only 2 buttons, which makes it easy even if you have never used spy gear before. Small, light, and made for travel, hotels, dressing rooms, offices, cars, or your bedroom too. It honestly feels like something from a real spy kit, but it is on Amazon for $59.99. A keychain that looks ordinary but can instantly alert everyone if you feel unsafe. Pull it apart and it triggers a loud siren, strobe lights, and shares your live location with trusted contacts. It also has a silent panic button that sends alerts without drawing attention. Ideal for delicate situations. Works up to 500 feet. Water resistant with a battery lasting up to a year per charge. Includes a built-in flashlight and can be located via Apple Find My or Google Find. Protect your personal safety. Available on Amazon for $49.99. It looks like a normal book on your shelf, but inside it hides a secure compartment with a 3-digit combination that protects cash, passports, jewelry, or any valuables. Its cover mimics a classic dictionary with a vintage black finish, blending unnoticed among other books. Perfect for home, office, or travel. The sturdy metal interior ensures daily durability and protection, while its compact size allows it to fit anywhere without drawing attention. Ideal as a money box, discreet gift, or hidden storage for important items. It combines practicality with clever design and is available on Amazon for $13.99. It looks like a kitchen torch at first, but the moment that adjustable flame kicks in, it feels way more intense than something you would casually keep near the grill. This propane torch can shift from a softer flame for desserts to serious heat for searing steak, lighting charcoal, or handling projects that need controlled power. The pistol-style grip makes it comfortable to hold. The regulator changes the flame strength quickly, and the rugged body feels ready for cooking, barbecue nights, camping, or workshop jobs. The tank is not included, but the shape alone makes it look like something people would stop and ask about. It has that wild, almost not allowed energy, yet somehow it is sitting on Amazon for $49.99. At first glance, it looks like a personal safety device, but its semi-automatic design puts it in a category that should be handled with serious responsibility. It is made for personal protection and uses non-lethal defense rounds, so it should never be treated like a toy or a casual gadget. The compact shape, multi-round capacity, and accessory rail make it feel closer to professional safety equipment than an everyday item. It also includes practice options, which makes the need for caution even clearer before anyone handles it. This is the kind of product that gets attention because it looks far too intense for a normal public online listing, especially next to ordinary home gadgets. Before considering it, local laws should always be checked, and it should only be handled by responsible adults with proper awareness and full caution for $139.95. This pen-shaped device is presented as a personal safety product, but it should not be treated like a normal gadget. Its main function involves an electrical discharge, so it belongs in a highly sensitive category that requires responsible handling, awareness of local rules and laws, and extreme caution. The compact body is designed for discreet carrying, with a sturdy metal clip, rechargeable battery, and charge indicator to show when it needs power. It is also important to remember that rules about buying, carrying, or using this kind of device can change depending on the city, state, or country. More than a flashy accessory, it is a regulated safety item that calls for judgment, adult supervision, secure storage, and legal, careful use only now for $21.95. A tracker this small can completely change how you keep an eye on what matters, because it does not just tell you where something is, it shows movement in real time. You can use it for a car, motorcycle, suitcase, stored boat, RV, or to help monitor a family member with permission when extra peace of mind matters. The weatherproof magnetic case keeps it protected and firmly attached to approved items without adding bulk. Its battery can last up to 14 days, location updates can refresh every few seconds, and the history feature lets you review where it went, when it moved, and what route it followed. You can also create safe zones, then receive alerts when the tracker enters or leaves an area, or when a driver goes over a speed limit. It does require an active subscription, but the hook is simple. It feels like professional tracking gear shrunk into a pocket-sized device for travel, vehicles, and important belongings too, and it is on Amazon for $17.95. This kid's smartwatch does not feel like another screen on their wrist. It feels like a direct line between parents and children without handing them a full phone. It allows voice and video calls, real text messages, photos, and chats only with approved contacts, while unknown numbers stay blocked instantly. The strongest part is the GPS. Parents can see real-time location, review routes, and receive alerts if an emergency call happens. It also includes school mode, reminders, kid-friendly music, step tracking, and simple tools like a calendar or timer, but no social media and no games. The battery lasts through long days, and the parental app lets adults control contacts, permissions, data, and routines from their phone. It looks like a fun, colorful watch, but works more like a family safety hub on a child's wrist. Available on Amazon for $159.99. At first glance, it looks like a solid metal pen, but this one hides a second purpose built for emergencies. It writes like an everyday ballpoint with smooth ink flow, balanced weight, and an extra refill included, yet the aluminum body feels far stronger than a regular desk pen. The glass breaker tip is meant for moments when someone may need to escape a vehicle or deal with a window in an emergency, not for showing off or careless use. The anti-slip grip, firm cap, and compact shape make it easy to carry in a pocket, backpack, purse, or car kit without drawing attention. It also comes in gift-style packaging and includes an online class focused on responsible handling. It looks ordinary enough to pass as a writing tool in public until you realize why tactical, safety, and emergency users pay close attention to it. And somehow, it is on Amazon for $22.99. A first aid kit that looks small but contains everything needed for cuts, scrapes, burns, or sprains at home, in the car, or during outdoor adventures. It includes 100 essential items like bandages, gauze, gloves, scissors, antiseptic wipes, emergency blanket, and a tourniquet for critical situations. The rugged, waterproof case protects supplies from dust, moisture, and rough use, keeping everything organized and easy to access. Lightweight and compact, it fits in backpacks, cars, boats, or luggage without taking much space. Comes with a doctor-written guide that shows how to respond quickly to unexpected injuries. It seems like a simple kit, but provides real preparedness and is on Amazon for $13.95. A recorder this thin can turn an entire meeting into usable notes before the day gets away from you. One tap starts clear audio capture, filters background noise, and then transcribes in 113 languages, so a lecture, call, or interview no longer depends on memory alone. The clever part is what happens after. It can summarize, pull out decisions, create action lists, and let you search inside old recordings like an assistant is sorting the conversation for you. It has 64 gigabytes of storage, a tiny status screen, fast charging, and battery life built for long days. Use it with permission when recording other people. For $128.99. A folding knife can look like a simple pocket tool until the blade snaps open and the whole thing feels more serious than expected. This one uses a D2 steel Tanto blade for work cuts, camping, hiking, opening boxes, trimming rope, or handling everyday tasks where a regular blade would struggle. The G10 handle gives a firm grip even when your hands are damp, and the compact shape makes it easy to store without taking over your bag or pocket. It is not a toy or something to show off, so local laws and responsible handling matter every time. What makes it interesting is the mix of clean, sharp design and rugged utility, almost like a small piece of gear for someone who likes being prepared without carrying anything bulky at all. And it is on Amazon for $37.99. A monocular small enough to fit in your hand, yet lets you see distant details as if you were closer. With ED lenses, BAK4 prism, and wide-angle view, it delivers clear images even in low light. Its compact, lightweight design makes it perfect for hiking, camping, or travel. Waterproof and rugged, it focuses near and far with precision. Feels like professional explorer gear, but anyone can use it, available on Amazon for $69.99. A device that looks like a simple windshield accessory, but instantly stands out with 16 high-intensity LEDs flashing in multiple patterns to alert during emergencies or tough conditions like fog, rain, or snow. Easily mounted with 6 suction cups on the dash or windshield, it plugs into your vehicle's 12-volt cigarette adapter. Compact and lightweight, it offers a variety of flash modes and remembers the last one used, making it a versatile signaling tool. Feels almost professional, yet anyone can set it up in minutes, and it is on Amazon for $19.99. A drone that looks like a toy but delivers a professional flying experience with a 6K camera and 3-axis gimbal for smooth videos and sharp photos. Perfect for beginners and adults, its easy mode allows one-button takeoff and landing, and GPS auto-return brings it back if the signal is lost or battery is low. Comes with 2 batteries for 70 minutes of continuous flight and smart modes like follow, waypoint flight, and orbit for dynamic aerial shots. Compact, stable, and fun. Ideal for trips, family gatherings, or exploring the skies effortlessly, and it is on Amazon for $389.99. This magnet does not look dramatic until it grabs onto metal and refuses to let go. With 15,000 Gauss and nearly half a kilo of weight, this neodymium block feels more like a tiny industrial tool than a simple round magnet. It works for projects, metal recovery, magnetic testing, or any job where you need serious holding force in a compact piece. The silver finish keeps it clean, and the rugged case protects it when carried. But it needs careful handling because that pull is no joke. It seems too powerful to be sold loose, but it is on Amazon today for $42.15.